Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Everand app weekly constituents. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll search about Everand app. In this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem.